Hi and welcome to Diverse Career Community. At Diverse Career Communities, our business is to reduce the high rate of unemployment in Nigeria and beyond. So stay with us. My name is Prince Julius and I am your host. Today we're bringing another job opportunity that you can't afford to miss. So stay with us till the end. The name of the company is AIPLABRO, and here is the overview of the company. AIPLABRO Industries Limited is establishing an adhesive tape manufacturing facility in Nigeria, West Africa, offering a diverse range of high-quality taping solutions. The company is committed to delivering products built for performance. The company is jointly promoted by Coscharis Group, a prominent business conglomerate in Nigeria, and they are currently recruiting for the following position. Job title: Sales Manager. Location: Lagos. Job type: full-time. Responsibility: some of the responsibilities are: number 1, obtain approval specification for the company's product for major HVAC project through contractors or directly. Number 2, estimate the bill of quantity for the company's product for each project. Number 3, secure product approval from contractors and project owners for specific application. The company's preferred candidates: these are the type of candidates the company is actually looking for. So please pay attention so you know if you fit into this or not. But for any reason you do not fit into this category, please just go to the comment section and let us know what you want us to get you, and we'll go out there, search for these jobs, and we'll bring them here for you to apply. Number 1, must be an engineering or science graduate. Number 2, 3 to 5 years of experience in HVAC project sales. Number 3, preferred age range between 30 and 40 years. Next, ability to work in a fast-paced environment and handle multiple priorities. Then the next one, strong leadership and team management skill. Then the next one, identify HVAC projects handling contractors across Nigeria. And lastly, proficient in Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint. How to apply for this job? Hold on. If you have stayed up to this moment, I think it's time to do the needful. Subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and like the video so you'll be the first to be notified when next we come here with another job opportunity. So to apply for this job, go to the description of this video and you will find the instruction on where to send your CV to and the recommended subject to the email address. You don't have to address the email the way you want or the way you feel like. The company recommended the subject, a title, the email title. That's the only thing they expect to see. I don't think they will bother to even look at your CV if you do not follow the instruction. So go to the description of this video. You'll find the instruction on how to, the email address you should send your CV to, and the title of the email address. Thank you, and remember to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Bye bye.